realtor and credit repair expert. Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita, and I'm back with another video.
Treasury and discontinue everything. And kickoff is really a good thing, you guys. Like, seriously. Don't forget, kickoff started for free. They started as a free account. So, where can you go wrong with that? Like, I love kickoff. But yeah, they're only going to report to Equifax and Experian. And if you guys did not get that installment account, the $12 account, then it's over, you guys. You guys have to start off with that credit card account. Now, this is my warning to you guys. I know I keep saying, if I tell you guys about, oh, this new account, that new account, don't get caught up in it. Don't get caught up in it. The only reason why I say don't get caught up in it is because like that new kickoff account, I really did not want to get that added to my credit reports. Do you know why? Because I have over 4 credit cards already. If you guys have over 4 credit cards, I don't suggest you guys go ahead and get that kickoff account. And 2, when you get a new account added to your credit reports, is most likely, especially you already have 4 credit cards, it's going to lower your credit score. I already know my credit score is going to get lower. I'm not planning to finance anything right now, even though I have to. Well, I didn't tell you guys. I recorded a video that you guys see in a month, but or probably even 2 months later. But I don't have any. I don't have a washer and dryer yet, so I want to finance on washer and dryer, like a no money down kind of thing, where 0% interest. Something I don't know. I'm gonna go to Best Buy or somewhere. I'm gonna figure it out, right? That's the only thing I want to go ahead and get. So I was like, let me just go ahead and put this account on my credit reports. But I know as soon as that kickoff account hit, it is going to lower my credit score. Hopefully not more than 20 points. But the only reason I know it's going to lower it is because I already have 4 credit cards already. And that's a credit card now. So, and it's a lower credit card too. It's $500. So if you guys like have $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 credit cards, if you guys get that kickoff account, it's most likely going to lower your credit score because you already have high limit credit cards. You don't want to go backwards. You want to go forward. That kickoff account is really for those people that don't have any credit or they don't have any credit cards right now and they have to get a secure credit card because their credit is really bad and they can't get a regular credit card. That's for them only. So if I'm saying new things, like right now, you're like, Rickita, I'm not even going to get the kickoff. Just sit, let me get my little spill out the way, or skip that video if you see a new video about kickoff or new credit card because you know you good already. You know what I mean? Don't keep adding accounts on your credit report because every time you add a new account on your credit report, it's going to lower your age. And we're going to get into that because that's really big, you guys. I can't wait till you guys to see the class and how I have it set up because it's going to be really big. You guys are going to be like, wow, she took some time to think about this. Yes, it's going to take some work for me, but it's definitely going to be worth it, you guys.
Thank you so much for finishing my video. If you like this video, make sure you check out these 2 videos on my right. There are more videos as a part of my channel where I talk about real estate and credit repair. And if you guys are really interested in boosting your credit score, think about joining my exclusive membership where I actually have exclusive live videos and you guys can get access to free credit repair.